Meteorologist Laura Thomas, thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. We're tracking our next storm system that'll be bringing rain and even maybe some snow chances to parts of Arizona as we head through Monday. As you look with me, this takes us through the overnight hours into Monday morning. The main storm system down to the south and to the southwest. Some spotty showers will be possible as we get into those evening hours. That includes the valley with showers and storms possible across northern Arizona. You can see the spin here with better rain chances across the valley overnight. Now we will be looking at this to stay really in the forecast over the next 2 to 3 days as the storm system slowly moves off to the east. Widespread rain across northern Arizona. Still looking at pockets of rain at times to be on the heavier side, but generally around potentially up to 1/4 of an inch here in the valley. So that's over 3 days. So going to be spotty throughout not only Tuesday, but also into Wednesday as we keep those rain chances alive. It'll be Thursday before we see those rain chances move out. So here's what it looks like. Again, those showers and storms beginning late Monday. Snow levels will be dropping to around 6,500 feet across northern Arizona. So some light accumulation, snow accumulations will be possible. We'll look for some breezes back in our forecast between 20 and 25 miles per hour. Travel impacts across the state, so look for some wet roadways, and again above 6,500 feet we could be getting a little of that wintry weather before that storm system moves out. We dry out, looking for more sunshine and warmer weather in our forecast as we get into the end of the week. Here's the forecasted lows tonight. Chilly wet in Flagstaff as you hit the 20s, 46 tomorrow morning in Sedona, 42 in Payson, 35 in Prescott. Our highs will be rebounding into the upper 60s along the rim, 80 here in Phoenix, 81 in Quartzsite, 77 Tucson. As you look at the valley forecast tonight, all of us hitting those 50s, might even see those upper 40s there in Carefree, 75 degrees heading into tomorrow. West Valley 79, Deer Valley 78, Buckeye, and 79 in Avondale. Here's a look at your most accurate forecast. 80 tomorrow, 70s on Tuesday, keeping slight rain chances through early Wednesday, then decreasing chances for that rain for us. Then we start the warm up, upper 80s on the way Thursday. By Friday, we're in the 90s, upper 90s Saturday morning. Low temperatures rebound back into the 70s late week.